When my partners and I got together 10 years ago and started doTERRA, we never imagined what was going to happen. So many lives have been impacted and changed for good around the world, and now we've been joined by literally millions of wellness advocates.
On average, our doTERRA distribution facilities distribute 600,000 products per day to our customers.
In its first 10 years, doTERRA sold more than 200 million bottles, and we're on pace for 70 million in 2018.
We source more than 130 different essential oils, grown and harvested in over 40 countries around the world. Countries like Haiti, Bulgaria, Nepal, Kenya, Peru, India, Brazil, Somaliland, and Egypt.
Since the beginning, we've set out to source these essential oils in a way that not only ensures their quality, but helps improve the lives of the farmers and artisans who grow, harvest, and distill each essential oil with care.
Through our sourcing initiatives globally, we are supporting more than 96,000 jobs and impacting nearly 500,000 lives in our partner countries.
We've built schools and water systems, rebuilt homes and hospitals. We've been there as disaster has struck to lift those who have needed our help the most.
Because of the generosity of wellness advocates throughout the world, charities like Operation Underground Railroad can expand our efforts to combat sex trafficking and care for those who've been rescued.
And in partnership with Mentors International and Days for Girls, we have provided thousands of small business loans and educated over 1 million young women around the world.
Millions of families around the globe are using essential oils every day, bringing us closer to our goal of having an essential oil in every home.
We now have 18 offices around the world supporting our incredible international growth.
doTERRA employs over 3,200 people globally, and it is a pretty great place to work. In fact, doTERRA has been named by Forbes one of America's best mid-sized companies for the last 3 years.
Our U.S. campus continues to expand with several new projects underway.
We've more than doubled our manufacturing capacity to keep up with global demand, and we just broke ground on a brand new state-of-the-art distribution center.
The doTERRA Child Care Center is almost complete, and I'm looking forward to bringing this little cutie to work with me every single day.
This year, we took over 2.5 million phone calls in 19 different languages.
The Prime Meridian Health Clinic here in Pleasant Grove is well underway, and we're excited to start seeing our first patient beginning early next year.
Since our last convention, we've shipped over 1 million kilograms of essential oil around the globe. If you stacked every oil ever sold, it would cover the distance from New York to Hong Kong.
It's with a deep sense of gratitude we look back at the millions of lives that have been affected. As we look forward to the future, it's hard to imagine what's going to happen next.